Hi, everybody. I'm welcome to the channel. This is Nisha J, cooking with Nisha J. All right, so we're gonna go over there where that box is and the tub because we have some potatoes that I had uh, put into sow in there for it's probably over 70 days. It might be 80, 90, I don't know. So we're going to see what we get out of these potatoes um, being here. So we're going to dig for the potatoes, and I'm going to be back and I'm going to show you what we got. So you're going to see me over here being picking out some potatoes and see what I got. So I'll be right back. Hold on. Can you see that? I need to hold that down. So y'all, these what I got big old bin. This is what I got. But I noticed some of these are, because they were up probably too close to the soil, to the sun I should say. They got a little green, and I heard that's not good, so I'm not going to eat those. But for my first harvest, can't complain. I got one more bin. So I'm a little excited, y'all. I did a bit of a harvest, and I got a few potatoes. So I guess for one person, that's a good number there. So I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna show you what the next bin. So hold on, y'all. Hold on. All right, y'all. So I got a few more tomatoes out of, potatoes out of there. Not a lot, a lot. But I got a few more. Let me see. So there you go. That was from that bin and that blue bin right there. So I got all those potatoes, and some that were green. Like I said, they were a little bit close to the top of the soil. So when they, I guess when they get sun, they when they, or if it's too close to the top of the soil and it's getting hit with the sun, it's not good for the potatoes. So they say don't eat those. So I have, look like that one is green, that one over there is green. So it looks like about two maybe or so that are green that I'm not gonna eat because they said they can make you sick. So that's my harvest, y'all. I am so proud of myself. We will try again for some more. And then look at my, that's my cucumber, my lemon cucumber. And I have another one from yesterday that's got big since yesterday. Hold on, y'all. Look at that. This is from yesterday. It was a little, oh, my camera went flaky. But look how big that is. That's from yesterday. I guess I didn't even show you guys yet, but I had some pictures from yesterday and they were way smaller. So I'm going to come back with my video, with another video to show you when I harvest those cucumbers. But I'm so happy, you guys. So happy. So happy. I got a couple of squash. I got another squash that's growing. I got a few potatoes, cucumbers, and I'm gonna have to replant my asparagus, and I'm gonna replant my cabbage. So gonna do that, and I'll be back with another video, y'all.